If you're a 40-year-old guy who snores like a chainsaw and your wife's been sleeping in the other bedroom, this video is for you. Now, we made a product that sold over 51 million mount tapes, and it helped over 150,000 people get better sleep. Then Amazon removed it, not because it didn't work, but because it actually did work, and they were afraid of that. Now, I'm the founder of Hostage Tape. I built this because I was that guy. I was snoring, I was tired, I was alone in bed. Now, I sleep like a rock. My wife sleeps next to me, and I couldn't care less what Amazon thinks.